I've got A star plus B star plus C star. That's one. I've got, let's see, A plus B plus C, the whole thing starred. I've got A star squished with B star, squished with C star, and the whole thing starred. And then I've got A star plus B star, and the whole thing, oops, plus C star, and the whole thing starred. And what I want you to do is pause the video for a minute, look at this, and try and figure out which of these things are the same and which is different. Okay, so let's talk about these things. This first one is plus. Remember, plus means union. So this is the union of the set that's just a bunch of A's, 0 more A's, unioned with the set that's just 0 more B's, unioned with the set that's just 0 more C's, right? So this is the set A to the n such that n is an element of n. Unioned with, notice I'm not squishing them, I'm unioning them. Unioned with the set B to the n such that n is an element of n. And remember that these n's are different. It's like local variables. Unioned with C to the n such that n is an element of the natural numbers. Right? And that set there is exactly the same as the set of, let's see, so we have lambda, we have 1a, we have 1b, we have 1c, or we have 2 A's, or 2 B's, or 2 C's, and so on. We never mix the A's, the B's, and the C's. Okay, so that's that first set. Now, this second one, over here, the blue one, we say that every string that's in this language, you can take 0 or more things out of here. It looks like we've got an A, a B, and a C squished together, but it's a little bit different than that because we can take 0 more A's, 0 more B's, and 0 more C's and squish them together any way we want. And so what we can do, and we can do it different each time. So we could say, like, suppose I want to know, is the string A, B, C, C in here? Well, I could say, sure it is, because the first time I take 0 or more things out of here, I'll just take an A by itself and none of these. The second time, I'll take, what did I say, A, B, C, C, just a B and nothing else. And the third time, well, I could take 2 C's in a row, or I could just take a C and then repeat another C. And if you look at this for any length of time, what you'll realize is that this set is actually exactly the same as this one over here, okay? It's the set where you can have as many A's, B's, and C's as you want in any order you want, right? In other words, it's the set, you can have lambda is the only string of length 0. In terms of strings of length 1, we've got A, B, and C. In terms of strings of length 2, we have any combination of A's and B's and C's. So we have AA, AB, AC, BA, BB, BC, CA, CB, CC, and then we can keep going, right? We can have triples and so on. What about this last guy? This A star plus B star plus C star? Well, that's actually turns out to be the same as this blue one and this red one, right? So again, I can take as many options as I want, as many passes through this set as I want. And what's this set? It's the union of 0 more A's, 0 more B's, and 0 more C's. So if I want that string like A, B, C, C, I could say, well, the first time I'll take 1A. The second time I'll take 2 B's. Then the third time I'll take a C. And so in fact, when you look at these, the only set that is different from the others is this one. Right? That one's different. Because this one, the A's and B's never mix together. Right? In the other three that we've got, in these three, circle them in yellow. And that one, and in this one, and in this one, those are all the same language. They represent the same set of strings. Any string that has 0 or more A, B's, and C's in it.